I'm gonna make a flaring with the new Navac flaring tool, and it's very simple. I don't tried it, but today I want to make a video about it because I really like this product. So it goes like this, doing 1/2 inch, and just open it, clamp it on there, all right, clamp it, and then right this way, and this tool slides down on here, like right there. It will click and crimp or lock it, and press a button, and it basically does everything by itself. Goes forward and reverse by itself. It's done. Once it's done, to unlock it, pull it out, and then take this clamp off, and you get a very nice flare. It goes like this right there. Nut slides right down, and that's how it works.